Hi, Terry VanNoy. Welcome to Math Class with Terry V. Hope this video helps you out, and if you enjoy it, please share it, comment, or like it. And you can also go to my website, MathPowerLine.com. It's a math resource blog, lesson videos for students, and other resources for parents and teachers. Give me a call or go to my website or email. All right, let's go to today's lesson. We're continuing on with taking square roots. Okay, this is problem set 2, and when you talk about quadratic equations, again, we're looking at things that have an exponent for the x. Okay, it's a second degree equation, and on a graph it'll look like this shape or this shape. These are of course called parabolas. Now it's an x equation usually, although other variables are used. You could have it equal to y or f of x, which is a function notation. But either way, you know that when you have a squared exponent, you have a quadratic. So now let's look at these equations here, highlighted in yellow, and remember that we need a positive and a negative square root for our final answer. Simplify your radical. All right, good luck. Alright, you can see the 4 answers here, but let's go ahead and show you how I get those answers. Now in all cases, I have a squared exponent term here, and the constant needs to be moved over to the right. So in this case here, we're going to add 3 to each side. 7x squared equals 448. We're going to divide each side by 7. Which gives us x squared equals 64. Now we're going to take the square root of each side. So x equals positive or negative 8. Now it can be written in this form, or it could be written in set notation like you see here. Okay, positive and negative 8. All right, number 18. We're going to subtract 8 on each side. 7v squared equals 392. We're going to divide each side by 7. V squared equals 56. Now take the square root of each side, which is positive and negative the square root of 56. Now I want to always simplify my radicals, and I know that 4 goes into 56 14 times. So I can split up my radical 4 times radical 14, and that gives us, because I can take the square root of 4, that'll be 2, and that gives me the positive and negative square root of 2, positive and negative 2 radical 14, and you can write it like that. All right, number 19, let's keep going here. Hope that you tried these on paper first. We're going to add 6 to each side. 6x squared equals 600. Now we're going to divide each side by 6, and you'll see that this is going to be a fairly simple example here. X squared equals 100. Now we take the square root of each side. So x equals the positive and the negative square root of 10, and it can be written this way or this way. All right, pretty easy on that one. All right, do you know what to do on number 20? Yes, get rid of the constant by subtracting the 5. This will give us 6n squared equals 54. Divide each side by 6 to get n squared equals 9, and of course taking the square root of each side, it gives us a positive and a negative 3. All right, sometimes you'll get a radical you'll have to simplify. Sometimes it'll come out to be a positive or a negative root, and either way you can write it as this answer here or this answer here. All right, well, thanks for watching this video, and let's continue on. The next video is all about completing the square. All right, there you have it. I invite you to go to my website now, MathPowerLine.com, or email me or give me a call. The way I work best with students is live online in my classroom. So if I can help you in any way, answer some specific questions, the first lesson with me is free as I show you how everything works. All right, study hard and take care.